So hey everybody, we got a special gift for Tristan. You can consider it an early Christmas present. It's something that Jackie and her friend have been clamoring over.
Me and my best friend Natalie, she's been talking about how her daughter uses it and now she's 2 years old. Tristan is turning 8 months next month. He's really active and I felt like once he starts crawling, we would need something a little bit more to keep him active. So you'll see what I'm talking about.
Yes, so without further ado, let's start the unboxing. All right, so this is what we were alluding to earlier. We got ourselves a Nugget. All right, so we'll start up here. This came in the other day. I think yesterday, right?
Mm-hmm.
I was working. So we waited just to build suspense. Tristan was like, what's that box in our room?
Yeah.
What are you guys planning on doing with it? Alright, so we just opened this bad boy. It's a giant cylinder. This feels like the padding that goes on top. What will essentially be a mini sofa.
Yeah, I'm guessing we're gonna have to obviously like let it air out.
Here we go. Perfect.
Wow, awesome.
I think the best way to approach this, scissors. They only let us order one thing per household.
Yeah, but I mean, you have to wait 3 months to get it.
Yeah.
So we ordered this early August, and it's just come now prior to Halloween.
Holy crap, we're gonna need more space.
Oh, it just wow, just inflated hardcore. Wow, that is pretty amazing. I'm not gonna lie.
So what color did we get? This is like an olive green or something?
Yeah, it was like an olive green. I don't remember
I forgot the
name.
actual name.
Yeah, I forgot the
We
color.
have these special names for them. All right, so here we have it, the Nugget. I thought it was gonna be a little bit taller, but he's not too high off of the floor, which is, you know, we don't want him to tip off from a great distance, so this is great. So everything was rolled around these guys. These are the little pillows. I think you can order more of them.
Yeah, you can order more pillows if you'd like, and I mean, I personally just order another one because for the amount that you get these for, you might as well just get a whole one. But it's super comfortable and soft. I'm so surprised that it literally blew up into size so quickly. So you don't. I mean, it's pretty quick, and they're really soft.
But they hold their shape. So I'm leaning on it right now, and it's pretty stiff, but soft, like you said.
Yeah, and it's really comfortable. I really feel like he's going to use this a lot, and it's going to help us maybe minimize any type of injuries while he's trying to learn how to crawl.
Yeah, what I like about this Nugget, you know, just based off what we've seen on their website, is that you can pretty much rearrange these any way you like. So as he gets older, he can arrange like little forts, little ramps, which is really cool.
Yeah, they have, you know, their slogan is kind of like to inspire creativity and imagination. So, you know, the whole purpose of their brand is you can do whatever you wish with all of these and create your own little playground. Really special, especially now since you're kind of cooped up inside and you're not able to utilize a lot of different little play gyms or go outside to a playground with everyone. They're able to do that from home, and it's definitely a good investment, and I highly recommend them. They're having a little lottery right now for you to be able to buy one that it's really special. Definitely if you have a 1-year-old or even an 8-month-old, it's a good little play set to start with. And I said, I feel like it's kind of like a little safety net for them too, just because they're learning how to walk and how to move their body and doing things that they've never done before, and it'll help minimize any type of impact that they'll have. Like, I had an incident the other day where he just like turned on by himself and kind of hit the ground a bit hard, and it was kind of like sad for that to happen. So this will help me feel a little bit better. So this will be his own little space where he's able to be creative and move around and be his athletic self. He loves jumping. And like I said, it's super soft, it's high quality, the material's really good. I mean, normally when you get stuff in from the mail and it's compacted like this, oh my God, I would normally get like, you know, when you get like a mattress or something that has been compressed like that, normally they have like a chemical smell to them and different stuff like that. I don't even get that from this. It's like ready to go. So I'm really, really happy that we purchased this. I think that we're going to utilize it a lot, kind of like what we use our Mamaroo and Dakata a lot, and now we use like a Jumperoo a lot. But I think that we're gonna, you know, I feel like everything that we use, if you put it down for like $1 a day, it's worth every penny. So I know that we're gonna utilize this a lot.
So Tristan, what do you think? Yeah? Oh, that's good. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and want to see more, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons.